Now guys, today I'm gonna show how to use PandaTalk templates, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, log into your PandaTalk account or the verified Gmail account and head over to the left sidebar, click on templates and head over template gallery. So here you find templates by categories. You can select purposes templates or sales contracts templates, codes, device agreements templates. Select the niche that you are working on, click on it and choose the template that suits your needs that you like. Then click on use template. You can skip this part and click on continue. If template will be added to your PandaTalk page, where you can edit it freely, customize the photos, themes, the PandaTalk headbar, the text also with subtext. Both everything here is editable as you wish, and this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.